Today I'm working on a pair of 327 Fueler heads. These heads were manufactured from 1962 to 1967. This particular head was made in August 26, 1965. This one was made in September 29, 65. These are in here to get screw-in studs. So I'm going to have to mill these down. I'm also going to have to surface them. Well, I don't have to surface them, but my customer's paying me to surface them. Look at this one. It got really peppered in that chamber. And that one. Say, my customer has an IDL guidance seat machine. He's putting seats in these, but he ran out. He purchases them from me. Hey, I'm back. It's still Saturday. Let me get this up in the machine and let me get to cutting. And look what the cat drug in. Bear, what are you doing over here? Hey, what'd you come over here for? Can you pet it again? He always needs petted, huh, Bear? Yeah, he does. It's funny, it seems like he hears me over here recording and then he shows up. Let me get these in the machine now. Okay, you guys ready? Hold on. All right, contact. Okay, now it's time to put some camphor on it. Now I'm going to drill them. Okay, now I'm ready to tap them. And this gets lube on it. There you go. Now I gotta do something about all these damn chips. I got an idea. There you go. Let me get the other head in here. Okay, we got the second head in here. Let me get you up on this $200 mount here. That looks pretty good. Contact. Okay, camper. Time to drill. Okay, let me tap them. This one didn't go deep enough. I'm gonna have to hit it by hand. Let me get rid of them chips first. All right, that's better. You guys should get yourself a can of this. Good stuff. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this hole, but I didn't want to try power feeding it. I tried it a couple times. So let's see what this does. Glasses. Wear glasses, guys. All right, let's start out with the peppered head. I made a witness mark. I really didn't need to Sharpie it because I'm going to take about 10 off this thing. This will not go away. Traveling across here pretty fast. Okay, let's start. Coming back at it. Couple more. Good shit, doesn't it? Coming back at it. Couple more. Coming off the end. My battery's dying. Coming back at it. A couple more. Coming off the end. There we go, final pass. A lot of this went away on this one. Coming to the middle. Here's that other chamber. Got rid of most of it. All right, let me get the other head in there. Here you go. It looks ugly. Going across the middle. They're pretty flat. Well, that's pretty flat. Coming back at it with a couple more. I'm running this on fast speed. Really smart. Just coming off the end. Coming back at it. Just clearing the end. There we go. This is the final pass. across the middle. There you go. They're flat. They're not pretty, but they'll work. Hey, who wants to grind a flywheel? I do. So I got a Subaru flywheel. Flywheel. I'm gonna turn this down till it hits. There you go, I finished it. Now I unlock this and scoot it out of the way and unbolt it. So I had a question in the comments about dressing this. This is CBN, like my surfacer. It has a conditioning stick though. Let me show you how that works. There you go, that's it. There you go. Set of 327 heads and a Subaru flywheel. Thanks for coming along on this Saturday, you guys. Hey, you guys come back and see me again tomorrow. I'll be in here doing something. I don't know what it is. In the meantime, you guys have a nice night and be nice to each other. Bye.